Hey, this is Mike Brady. So I wanted to send you this video that I shot to show you some of the things that will help you improve your website's rankings on Google and bring you more business. Now I'm at your website right now, and I've copied your URL and I've put it into a third-party scanner to check your main header tags. Now your header tags are what Google looks at to determine what your site's about and what to rank it for. The tags are made up of your title tag, your metadata tag, and your H1 and H2 tags. Now, your title tag looks really good, as does your meta description. Unfortunately, your header tag, H1 header tag, you have too many of them. And this confuses Google, and this is why you're not on page one. You're also missing attributes on your images, which Google marks you down for that. I don't know about you, but I usually pick the first 3 or 4 companies on page one of Google, and I get bids from them. So let's go to your website and see how it's ranking on Google right now. I use a third-party tracker for this as well, serptrack.io. It tracks your website against certain keywords. These are the keywords I use: Bakersfield Remodeling Contractors, Bakersfield Remodeling Company, and Bakersfield Kitchen Remodelers. Unfortunately, you are ranking on page 4 and 6 for remodeling contractors and remodeling company. Unfortunately, you're not even ranking in the top 100 as Bakersfield Kitchen Remodelers. Now we can fix this. We can fix your website. It's what we do. It's why I'm reaching out to you today. We can get you ranked on page one in a couple weeks and get you some more business. So if you have any questions and you can use more business, please respond to this email. Thank you so much.